Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but this operation looks pretty similar in all other browsers, so you will be able to recreate the steps in your browser. So here in the browser you have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on History. As you can see, here we've got the list of previously visited websites, and if you want you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button. But if in your case this list is too long to do that manually, or if you want to remove more data, like for example passwords, I highly recommend to tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in the basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time or last 4 weeks, up to you. Just tap on it and then tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything from the browser. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.